Can't play silently.
Traffic was light as I drove north on 47. Stopped to get some coffee at the local 7-Eleven. I know that you're gone now. Thought you might just be the one. But days like these I remember when we just begun in the morning sun. In the morning sun, in the morning sun, in the morning sun. And it's hard to wake up, and the bed is tough to leave. If the day ahead I will celebrate, or the kind that I will grieve. Did I stop too early? Did I stay too long? Is there any righteousness, or is everything gone wrong? And this wanton fascination, the addiction of my eyes, there is no reparation, no fabric that underlies. In the morning sun, in the morning sun, in the morning sun, in the morning sun.
Here we go.
Son of the morning, no longer the devil. Jesus Christ, the morning sun, let's keep it stable. He's more than able, he's more than faithful to change a label. If you're willing to break bread, sit at the table. I'm not the one for peer pressure. He gives his light to the lesser and trusts his work in endeavors to sinners. Gave my life when I was 12, he made me a winner. He put me with the Holy Spirit, no thinking for dinner. The meaning Easter is now the image of bunnies. Churches, pastors, and preachers. I pray the teachers enlighten my brother and all the leaders about the rising of Jesus. That the meaning is deeper.
We did a track today, and I had a great time. I thought you guys did a great job. Steve and Josh and Luke, let's give it up for them. Yay. You know, we're doing a song in one day, writing it, mixing it, doing it all, performing it.
For me, it was the first time I had ever done anything like this. And, everything I've done has been live performances until now, and actually getting the studio experience was very good.
I kind of enjoyed the whole process, start to finish. It was one of those, you be patient, you'll kind of walk your way through it, and you actually see a process. It's kind of cool.
Yeah, it's not my first rodeo in the studio, but this was great. The process was phenomenal. Okay, would be in Dreamland.